Hey, this is Team 9990 with a guide for you on how to fix REV smart servos. Here we have a REV part number REV 411097, and to show it doesn't work for you guys, we're going to plug it into a SRS servo programmer and show you it doesn't work. It doesn't move. Yep, doesn't move at all. Some of the tools you'll need are a small Phillips head, flathead, and you're going to need to order a replacement gear set for them. It is part number 411168. This is an example of some of the issues that most people have with them. Teeth are completely destroyed there. First, you're going to need to unscrew all the screws on the back cover. Once you've done that, you want to make sure you keep that back cover on and just remove the front cover. You want to carefully remove it as to not lose any of the parts inside. Remove that piece, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. All right, now once you get a lot of those gears off, you're gonna want to pry the damaged gear off. You can see the damage on it. That's the reason why it failed. Now you're going to want to use the replacement gear set, and you're going to use those replacement gears to replace the gears on your servo, and it will be back to spec. Now it is recommended that you put some grease on these so that it works a lot better, but just to show you guys, we're gonna put the pieces back on without any grease. It can be a little tricky to do, but you've got to line that middle up with the little pin there. And once you get that down, you're gonna put the cover back on. And as you can see on the cover, it has a little pin on the inside. That also helps keep it down. And once you do that, and you screw your screws back on, assuming you also have grease on it as well, it will be brand new in a sense. And to show you guys it now works, we're going to plug it back into the SRS programmer and demonstrate. Alright, that is Team 9990 giving you a guide on how to repair the smart servo from REV Robotics.